about the Acorn Nature Walk?
We went with our co-op friends to a nature walk for acorns.
Hey, okay, now look at me and tell me about acorns. Bless you.
What did I?
I said, so if Nature Walk about acorns is your favorite, tell me about acorns.
Acorns grow on trees. They have lids, and they might fall without the lids, and they might fall with their lids.
What kind of trees?
What's the second kind of leaf I picked on my mobile?
Show me which one.
This one. What kind of leaf is this?
I think that one was a shagbark hickory.
Shagbark hickory.
But that's not what acorns come from.
Really? But we have a shagbark hickory in our backyard, and it has acorns.
We have what's called, it's a tree that starts with an O.
Oak?
That's right. Ours is a chestnut oak.
A chestnut oak.
Yeah.
Oh, so it comes from
But which one?
oaks.
You picked an oak tree leaf. Which one is an oak tree leaf?
This one?
No.
Hmm?
Yes.
Oh.
That kind of leaf would have acorns.
Oh.